Y'all, the universe then effed up now because I figured out how to delay my period. Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So I haven't posted on YouTube in a while, but if you've been following me on TikTok, you know that I've been posting about feminine care, everything bacterial vaginosis, yeast infections, urinary tract infections. So make sure you follow me on TikTok. I'm gonna pop my TikTok right here. But I had to come show you guys, I literally ran to YouTube to show you guys this. I feel like every girl needs to know about this medication. So you know how like if you're going vacay or if you're going to a wedding, a prom, or even if like, you know, you have a sneaky link base coming in town or something and you want to delay your period, I found a medication that is going to delay your period, like for sure. At one point, I searched all over the internet for ways to delay your period, and you know, they had stuff like mustard seeds and apple cider vinegar and things that weren't like really certain to delay your period, like it might delay your period. So like I said, if you know me from TikTok, you know I'm partnered with Hello Wisp. I love Hello Wisp. Hello Wisp is basically a website where you can get your medication and your prescription medicine for your reproductive care to your doorstep. The reason I love Hello Wisp so much is because you already know my struggle with bacterial vaginosis, and at a point where I was always in the doctor's office, I was always getting exams done. Like every other week I had a doctor between my legs and going inside of me, and it became so frustrating. I wish back then that I could have a website like Hello Wisp, because it literally just skips the whole doctor part and you can get whatever medicine that you need on the website. They have birth control, yeast infection medicine, UTIs, bacterial vaginosis, herpes. They have so many different medications on the website, and not to mention, y'all, not to mention, they have the Plan B pill. I mean, y'all already know. And they also have the golden pill, the Norethindrone. This is the medication that will delay your period. So Norethindrone is a form of progesterone that plays a major role in your ovulation and your menstruation. I am not a fan of pills. Like, pills make me gag. I don't have a deep throat for pills. But I was so happy to see that these pills, hold on, let me get them out first. Let me get them out. These pills are so tiny. Like, this is the pill up against my hand. The pill is so tiny. It's literally like a little Tic Tac. You can start taking your pill a few days before your period or your cycle is supposed to start. And then once you start taking your pill, you have to take them 3 times a day for the entire time that you want your period to like not show up. So the best thing about Hello Wisp is you receive it in jars that look like this. They're not like medicine bottles. And I always say Hello Wisp jars are so cute because they're glass. And I already started reusing my jars that I already have for my eyelashes when I travel. But the jar only have little sticker indications of how to take it and the warnings that you need to know when taking the medication. Other than that, there's no indication of what the medicine is. So if you are taking this with a group of people or you want to put it in your medicine cabinet, it's not like your roommates or anybody that you live with is going to know that you are trying to delay your period, or you are taking herpes medicine, or you're taking medicine for bacterial vaginosis. There's nothing on it that indicates that. You will receive the what the medicine is initially when you first get your medicine, but you're able to take that off. It's just gonna look like a cute jar in your medicine cabinet. I think that thus far, this is my favorite medication that I talked about, because the amount of times I've traveled and been on my period, and if I'm being honest, I wear thong bathing suits. Like, I don't wear regular full bottom bathing suits. I live in thong bathing suits. And the amount of times I've been on my cycle on a vacation and couldn't like go swimming or wear my bathing suits or like have to wear all black, y'all, this is about to get used. All you have to do is run to the website, make your purchase. Your purchase will be approved by a doctor, and your meds will either be at your doorstep or at your pharmacy within a few days. That is why I love Hello Wisp. I'm gonna leave all of the links for Hello Wisp down in my description box down below. I'm also gonna leave a direct link to the Norethindrone along with my coupon code, because y'all know I love a coupon code. And I cannot wait until you girls get your hands on this, because honestly, periods be having me like, not today, like, not today. All of the links are down in my description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you loved it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next one. I'm out. Peace. Bye.